Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I put together these shelves for storage. They could be used pretty much for anything. However, I like to use it for, say, like my camera equipment or any supplies that I may have for the hair extensions that I sell, as well as any supplies I may have for the clothing and accessories I sell as well. So if you're interested in this video, please continue watching. Now this particular shelf is a shelf that I found at Walmart, and I'm definitely going to leave a link down in the description box below so that you can get the same exact shelf. This shelf was a little under $60, which I think is a great deal. If you know anything about storage shelves, they can be extremely expensive. So this one to me is a steal. Now that I am pretty much done unpacking everything, what you see me doing is I am pre-assembling the poles, meaning that I'm just basically screwing them together so that I can move on to the next step. Now that I have assembled all of the poles together, I'm going to place the little black pieces together, which are used to hold the shelves in place. And what you see me doing here is just simply counting the lines to make sure that I place the black pieces on there evenly. It makes a huge difference. You do not want your shelf to be lopsided. You want your shelf to be even, which is why I took the time to count. And that black peg at the bottom, you want to make sure that that is facing the ground. That is the only way that the pole is supposed to go. Again, don't forget to count the lines on the pole for the even distribution of the black pieces. You want to make sure that it is even. This is extremely important. Once I have finished putting on 4 sets of stoppers on all 4 poles, I'm going to go ahead and begin putting on the first shelf. Now the way that I found that was easiest to put the shelves and the poles together without any additional hands was to basically lay the shelf on its side and to slide the poles in that way. And once I placed all 4 poles inside of the hole, I lifted the shelf up and I firmly pressed down on the bottom shelf to lock it into place. So assembling the first shelf was pretty much the hardest part of the assembly, which actually wasn't very hard. After that, you just basically repeat all of the steps again and assemble the entire shelf. The lines for even distribution, put on the stoppers in place so that you can slide the shelf down, and that's pretty much it. Nice and simple from this point on. And this is the finished product. Girl power. I did it all by myself. I was such a big girl. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe, comment down below, and let me know that you like the content, and let me know what you'd like to see next. As always, thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!